Jesse. Do it. Lift your leg. Can you do that? Oh, you
Super Mario now.
You're done?
Are you tired?
Mario.
No, we have to finish Just Dance. No? Oh, are we going to go into a tantrum?
Oh my goodness. Seriously.
All right, did you get tired?
Mario.
But I thought we were going to watch the funniest dancing one. Look how funny it is. No. What's that face? We have to let Landon pick another song. Should we go get Landon out of his room? Do you think he's done with his fit? Get that one. Are you going to be happy?
This now.
That now?
Yeah.
Say scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Scissors.
Say scissors.
Scissors.
Not scissors. Say
This butt.
no, not but. You can't say but. That's a bad word. Say. Are you going to sing the song? No? This one. Poor baby. You're so cute when you're mad.